Hello my dears and welcome to this class. So I will be guiding you a little bit through some English knowledge for today. We will be discussing maths. Well, this is today's title, but of course we won't be discussing maths, we will be discussing English. But we have a text that is connected to maths. And of course this is all part of the preparation for the KET exam. Okay, I will now share with you what I prepared for today. Okay, so I'll share the materials with you. And as promised, first of all, we have the text about mathematics, yes, the long term. Deci, cuvântul pe lung e mathematics and the short option is maths. Okay? And we can see here it's about a student, yeah, Jacob Barnett. And I will now ask Anasi, you are the can you please read the text for us?
Yes. Many students do not like maths, but sometimes there is a genius who can make the whole subject interesting and exciting. One such genius is Jacob Barnett. He has an IQ of 170, which is more than Albert Einstein. He is American and he is autistic. That means his brain works differently to other people's. The doctor told his mother he would always live at home, never speak or be able to do simple things like tie his shoes or look after himself. But when he was 3, he drew a map of a place that family visited perfectly. He knew all the streets after just one visit. Then, when he was 3 and a half, he amazed doctors and teachers by answering complicated math questions accurately. When he visited a
planetarium.
When he was 8, he went to classes at Indiana University and taught high-level math calculus to students at college. At age 10, he was the youngest ever student to study
astrophysics.
He must be a genius. At the moment, he is writing a book to help teenagers study math. His favorite activity is playing basketball with children at Jacob's Place, a charity he started for autistic children to meet and play together.
Wow, so we know that this book contains real information. So what do you believe about this? Isn't it impressive?
Yes.
Yes, no? I mean, if we reread a little bit the last part, he says that when he was 8, so 8 years old, he went to Indiana University and taught maths. Taught means a predat, not learned. Yeah, he didn't learn maths from college students. He taught maths to students. So that's pretty impressive. I mean, at 8, you basically know how to count. No, that's all you know. You know how to count. Maybe you learn to multiply, and that's it. To divide. But do you know how to teach mathematics to college students? Definitely not. Okay. Also at 10, he began studying astrophysics. So, wow, that's pretty complicated. That's physics and astronomy. So, yeah. Okay. And also he's writing a book and he opened a charity. So, wow. Just wow, very impressive. Okay. So let's see if together we can complete the sentences we have here about him, about Jacob, yeah? So Jacob was when he drew a map of small town. How old was he?
8.
No, read again, Anasi. When he drew a map, he was 3. Wow, at 3 years old, kids normally only draw, lines, circles, nothing else, yeah? But he drew a whole map of a town, a small one, but still. Okay, then the next one, let's see. He drew a map of a place after just visit. After just one visit, very good. That's impressive again. He only saw that place once and he was 3. Normally at 3, you don't even remember your whole home, yeah, let alone a town. Okay, next. Yes? Anasi, would you mind reading number 3, please?
Yes. He answered questions about after a visit to the planetarium.
About? Yeah? So we have to read here, by answering complicated maths questions accurately. So about?
Math.
Yes, about maths. Very good, about maths, okay? He taught high-level maths to students, okay, at college, to college students. And he was the youngest student to study physics. So he be a genius. He
will be.
Well, that okay, but I think he already is. So we will say he must. No? You have it here. He must be a genius. Trebuie că, am zice noi în română, așa ziceam înainte, nu? Trebuie că este un geniu, right? He is a genius, definitely. Okay. Right. Now, we'll have a short speaking activity where we will discuss a list of the subjects that we study at school. And we will try to rate them, to give each subject a star rating, okay? 1 star wins not very good. This is very popular now, no? To rate everything. And 5 stars is fantastic, okay? So let's try to make a list of possible school subjects, no? Let's start with maths. Anasi, how would you rate maths? 5, so that's 5 out of 5, no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Also, we have the school subjects here. Maybe it helps. So this was the first one, maths, 5 out of 5. Okay. For English? 5 out of 5. Okay. Bubu, you can also add your rating here on the chat if you want. And those that are watching at home, I invite you to also rate the subjects that we are mentioning here. They are all school subjects. Everyone does this subject. So feel free to rate them, okay? English, Anasi says 5 out of 5. Okay. And yes, I know, Bubu, what you can write on the chat. Yeah, you can write on the chat the answers. Geography. Let's see. Geography. What would we say? How would we rate it out of 5? From 1 to 5? From those at home, how would you rate geography? Ce notă îi dăm geografie? Ia să vedem. Anasi?
5 out of 5.
5. You like geography that much? Okay, well, I would rate it maybe 2. I don't know. Okay. How about history?
5 out of 5.
You like history that much? Wow. Do you like everything? Anasi, I am impressed. Okay. Let's see also those at home. What would you say? Geography, history, how would we rate them? From 1 to 5. On a scale from 1 to 5, no? For history, I would say, for example, well, I don't know, 2? 2 again, yeah. Okay, science.
4.
4, wow, okay. So finally something you chose not to grade the highest. Deci nu i-ai mai dat cea mai mare notă. Good. Science, you would say 4. Okay, I would say 3 maybe. Music?
2.
Music 2. Yeah, well, okay, so music, we mean the subject at school, no? I mean, we love listening to music and everything, but the subject at school when you have to learn and to do all those things in your notebook, yeah, that's definitely also a 1 or 2 for me, okay? Art?
5.
Art is 5, so you like coloring, you like drawing, you like painting, no? Okay, what do you do now at school? Painting? At art class? Painting, yes, okay. Okay, I would say also, I don't know, 3? Well, IT, how about IT?
5.
IT 5, yes, I guess IT is fun. IT is fun to do, fun to learn, so I would also say 5, maybe 4. Sometimes it's boring because of maybe other topics that you have to debate, not just playing or that, but yes, normally it's fun. Okay, and those at home, what do you think about IT? How would you rate IT, the IT class, the information technology class? I'm waiting for your answers. Yeah. Let's see, French or German. Who here does French? Anasi, do you learn French? Yeah.
French and German.
Okay. So for French, what would you say?
5.
5. And for German?
5.
No, I don't think 5. No, impossible. German 5. Wow. Okay, you are very talented, it means, if you like all of this. Sorry. Okay, so for French, Anasi says 5. I would say 3 or 4. Okay. For German, I would definitely say 2. Maybe not 1, because it's still a language, so it's kind of fun, but it's difficult, really difficult, no? With all those terminations, isn't it? With all those endings, yeah? Der, die, das, I don't know, right? So complicated. I would say 2, okay? How about design and technology? I don't think we do something like that. I don't think we have that, no. But PE, sport, physical education, 5. Wow, okay, that for me was 1. I hated PE. Well, hated. I didn't like that, you know, I had to get dressed, get changed. The break would be over until I get dressed and change, and I couldn't do what they wanted from me to run that much. Or, well, I remember, I think the last memory I have of physical education is me trying to jump on that thing, you know, that we pe care noi numim capră, you know what I mean? And of course, since I was tiny and all, I could not do it. I would just, I couldn't jump. I would jump on it, not over it. Okay, so yes, not the best experience for me. How about you at home? For you at home, do you like a physical education class? Vă place sportul? Ia să vedem. Ce notă îi dăm sportului? 1, 2, 5? It depends, okay, on everyone. I'm waiting for your answers in the comments. Puteți să comentați acolo. Ia să vedem. Oare am ratat ceva important? Am ratat ceva important, Anasi? Bine, noi mai avem limba română, pentru că normal suntem români. Deci, cum? Despre română ce notă îi dăm? Not 5. Wow, I'm amazed.
Between 4 and 5.
Between 4 and 5. Okay, wow, you're still up, still high. Okay, the Romanian language. Yeah, that for me also was a 5. Okay, the Romanian language. And, well, there are some other subjects, but I think these are the most important overall, no? Okay. Now, before we continue with what else I prepared, Anasi, I would like to take a look at the adverbs we have here. The adverbs of manner. Adverbele de mod. So, the manner we do things in. Cum facem lucrurile, nu? And here we have 3 of them. Carefully, well, or quickly. Let's see how we can complete the sentences correctly, Anasi. Let's do it.
Let's do it quickly, not slowly.
Okay, yeah, the next one.
You must work really well, concentrate, really carefully.
Carefully concentrate. And the last one?
He works well. He's very good.
Okay, good. Deci, să facem treaba asta rapid, nu încet, quickly, not slowly. El lucrează cu siguranță foarte atent, carefully, nu? Concentrate. And și el lucrează bine. He works well. He's very good. E bun la ceea ce face. Bun. So how do we form these adverbs? It's very easy. Cum formăm aceste adverbe? Pentru aproape toate, 99% dintre ele, o să adăugăm ly adjectivului, nu-i așa? So instead of saying quick, we will say quickly. Instead of saying slow, we will say slowly. Instead of careful, carefully. Bad, badly. Easy, easily. Happy, happily. Angry, angrily. For these last 3, pentru aceste ultime 3, easy, happy, angry, atenție când îi adăugăm ly ca să-l transformăm adverb, că trebuie să transformăm y-ul în i. Nu? Deci o să scriem easily, ily, da? Nu putem să avem 2 de y. Happily, happy, ily, and so on. Okay, this is about spelling, puțină ortografie. And, of course, some adverbs are irregular, but only those, okay? Sunt foarte puține, deci în principiu acestea. Good, de la good, nu o să punem goodly, nu? O să punem well, yeah? Și de la fast, la fel, nu avem fastly, ci avem pur și simplu fast. Rămâne la fel și ca adverb, okay? She speaks Chinese very well and don't walk so fast. Okay? These are the exceptions. Astea sunt excepțiile. În afară de astea, pentru restul, cum am spus, adăugăm ly. Okay? So it's nothing really difficult. But when do we use adverbs and when do we use adjectives? Când folosim adverbe și când adjective, știm? Ia să ne gândim. Deci, adverbele le folosim atunci când descriem ce? O acțiune, nu o acțiune. Deci un verb, în general, care exprimă o acțiune. Bun? Iar adjectivele descriu un substantiv, ok? Chiar dacă ele pot să stea după un verb, de exemplu, he is good, yeah? Verbul acesta to be funcționează doar ca un linker, doar ca un conector între substantiv și adjectiv. Deci, practic, adjectivul tot caracterizează substantivul, nu are legătură cu verbul, ok? Niciodată adjectivul nu are legătură cu verbul, așa cum nici adverbul nu are legătură cu substantivul, ok? Deci, cam așa funcționează. Hai să vedem cum reușim, Anasi. Deci, citim propoziția și apoi alegem varianta corectă. Citim ambele variante ca să audă și cei de acasă care sunt variantele. Bun.
Elisa is doing good. Well, in English. Elisa is doing well in English.
Yes, do well. Avem verb plus adverb. She is doing well. Good. The next one, please.
Tom is sometimes lazily in class. Tom is sometimes lazy in class.
Bun, okay, very good. Sometimes he is lazy in class, okay? Because it's how he is. We are characterizing Tom. Bun, the next one.
Liam thinks carefully before he answers. Liam thinks carefully before he answers.
Okay, Liam thinks carefully because we describe, we are characterizing the verb to think. Cum gândește el? Cu grijă. Okay.
Emma behaves badly in class. Emma behaves badly in class.
Very good. She behaves badly in class. Se comportă urât, deci caracterizăm comportamentul, nu pe ea. Okay?
Michael is good, well, at IT. Michael is good at IT.
Okay, because here we characterize him. Michael is good at IT, okay? Bun.
Susan writes neatly. Susan writes neatly.
Ok, Susan writes neatly. Deci am auzit și cei de pe Facebook, nu? Susan writes neatly. De ce? Because we are characterizing writing, acțiunea de a scrie, nu pe Susan. Da? Caracterizăm modul în care ea scrie. And?
Ali is very politely to teachers. Ali is very polite to teachers.
Ali is very polite to teacher. Este foarte politicos. We are characterizing Ali. Ok? Cum este el, modul lui de a fi. Bun, ok. Next, we have a few of these sentences, but this time, Anasi, I will help you. I will read them for you, and you will only tell me the correct answer, ok? O să le citeți ca să le auziți și voi cei de acasă și apoi dăm răspunsul corect. Cine vrea să-l dea răspunsul corect și aici în comentarii, be my guest, yeah? Next, ok. Să începem cu numărul 1. I sometimes like to live dangerous or dangerously.
Dangerously.
Ok, dangerously. De ce folosim dangerously? Pentru că caracterizăm live. I like to live, da? Cum ne place să trăim. Periculos. Ok, dangerously. Number 2. Well done. Your answers were all perfect or perfectly.
Perfect.
Your answers were all perfect. Okay, very good. Because we are characterizing the answers. Okay, Bogdan, welcome. Number 3. She smiled happy or happily when I saw her.
She smiled happily when I saw
Okay, she smiled happily because I'm characterizing how she smiled. Good. It's easily versus easy to speak English.
It's easy to speak.
Yes, very good. It's easy to speak English because we are characterizing speaking English, care într-adevăr poate să sune ca o acțiune, însă reprezintă poate fi considerat un substantiv, yeah? It's easy. What is easy? It is easy, okay? To speak English. Da? Deci, ca un substantiv. Vorbitul de engleză e ușor în sensul ăsta, ok? Good. The river, for number 5, yeah? The river is a dangerous or dangerously place to swim.
Dangerous.
The river is a dangerous place to swim. Why? What are we characterizing, Anasi?
The river.
The river, of course, yes. Ok. Hai să vedem mai departe. Bogdan, can you help us? Are you here?
Yes.
Okay, hi. So, let's see. Number 6. He looked at us angry or angrily? Which one do we choose, Bogdan?
Angry.
Angrily. Angrily. We will choose the adverb. Why? Because we are characterizing how he looked at us. Not him, but how he looked at us. Modul în care ne-a privit. Yeah? A fost nervos. Okay, number 7. Yes. My uncle isn't a very happy or happily person. Bogdan, ce alegem aici? Happy or happily? Care o fi? Isn't a very happy person. Foarte bine, because we are characterizing the person. Yeah? Happy person. Bun. Hai să vedem, Anasi, number 8. She speaks English perfect or perfectly?
She speaks English perfectly.
Perfectly, very good, because we are characterizing how she speaks. Cum vorbește. Vorbește engleză, cum zicem noi, pe la perfecție. Ok. Number 9, Anasi also. The teacher wasn't very happy or happily with us.
Teacher wasn't very happy with us.
Wasn't very happy with us because we are characterizing the teacher. She was not happy, yeah, with us. Bun. Number 10, Bogdan. I had a really bad or badly day yesterday. Cum zice? A bad day. Deci I had a really bad day, da? O zi proastă. We are characterizing the day. Okay, Bogdan, also please, number 11. You must be carefully or careful when you climb trees. Pe care le alegem? Careful, very good. Yes, you must be careful. We are characterizing you. Yeah, you have to be careful. Tu trebuie să fii atent. Bun, let's see number 12, Anasi. Please sit quietly or quiet and wait for me.
Please sit quietly and wait for me.
Please sit quietly. So we are characterizing the way you sit. Yeah, quietly. Yes, hi, Lucian. Hello. Okay. Number 13, Anasi. He plays the guitar really bad or badly?
He plays the guitar really bad.
Really bad, okay? So, are we sure it's bad? What are we characterizing, Anasi? The guitar, him, or how he plays it?
How he plays.
So, shouldn't it be badly?
Yeah.
Yeah, he plays the guitar really badly, okay? And the last one, Bogdan, 14, Mark did very good or very well in the test. Which one will it be?
Very well.
Very well, foarte bine. He did well because we are characterizing how he did the test. Yeah? Good. Okay, and following, we have some sentences that do not have these adverbs of manner. We need to choose from the correct adverbs of manner. I will first read all the adverbs and then I will ask you to complete the sentences, okay? Deci, să notăm. Adverbele sunt următoarele. Quietly, carefully, slowly, fast, well și angrily. Ok? Hai să vedem dacă reușesc să le scriu aici și pentru cei de acasă, ok? Deci, quietly, carefully, slowly, pentru că fără ele nu reușim să facem propozițiile, de aceea. Ok, slowly, fast, well, and angrily. Ok, angrily. Nu-mi iese? Ok, good. Quietly, carefully, slowly, fast, well, angrily. Let's start with the first question and see which one fits here. Anna, see if you want.
She plays the piano really carefully.
I don't think so. She wants to be a concert
Really well.
pianist. Really well. Cred că really well. She plays the piano really well. She wants to be a concert pianist. Okay, good. Next, Bogdan, if you want to read number 2, please.
Yes, she wants to. Pardon. The teacher wasn't happy and shot at us.
Shouted at us. Și ce alegem? If she was not happy with us. Cum putea să fi strigat la noi? Angrily, foarte bine. The teacher wasn't happy and shouted at us angrily. Voi ce spuneți? De pe Facebook. Cred că suntem de acord, nu? Avem și noi acolo adverbele, le putem vedea. Deci, shouted at us angrily. Bun. Number 3, Anasi?
Speak.
Please, I'm trying to watch this program.
Please. Quietly.
Speak quietly, please. I'm trying to watch this program. Vorbește în chat, right? Please. Ok. Cred că suntem de acord și acasă, nu? Speak quietly. Bun. Number 4, Bogdan?
It's very heavy, so please pick it up quickly.
Dacă e grea, hai să ne gândim. Poate mai bine?
Slowly.
Carefully, maybe? Pentru că am avut slowly deja la speak. Speak slowly, nu? Și acum ne rămâne carefully. It's very heavy, e foarte grea, deci te rog, pick it up, ridic-o carefully, cu grijă, carefully. Ok. Hai să vedem mai departe. Anasi?
We're late. Don't walk so slowly.
Ok. Și atunci nu putem folosi de două ori slowly. Ok, că am folosit quietly, e bine. Speak quietly, ok, pick it up carefully și don't walk so slowly. Bun. And the last one, Bogdan?
He rode his motorbike really fast.
Really fast after his accident, ok? Well, poate că aici ar merge mai bine carefully. Să zicem aici carefully, nu? He rode his motorbike, deci că a mers foarte cu grijă după accident, carefully. Ok? Și atunci să avem acolo, it's very heavy, so please pick it up fast, ridic-o repede, no? Something like that, ok? Cred că merge, dar în orice caz, bun? Important este să alegem ceva care are sens, ok? Și ceva care, bineînțeles, folosește suficiente adverbe, yeah? Ok, so we're gonna have now a listening practice. Acum o să avem un pic de listening, să fim puțin atenți. We're gonna listen to a description about an unusual school. Deci o școală neconvențională, neobișnuită, yeah? An unusual school. So we need to circle the correct words or phrases to complete the sentences that we have, ok? Hai să ne uităm un pic pe propoziții înainte de a asculta, ca să știm la ce să ne așteptăm. Anasia, ai vrea să citești, te rog, prima propoziție?
Yes, the mountain school is in America or England.
Ok. Number 2 also?
Students work on an organic farm or in the theater.
In a theater. Bun. Bogdan, hai să vedem. 3.
Students must study English and
Environmental science.
History and chemistry.
Ok, astea sunt științe de mediu. Environmental science, yeah? Ar veni mot-a-mot tradus. Deci pur și simplu, adică biologie, de exemplu, care se ocupă de mediu. Yeah? Ok, good. Hai să continuăm, Bogdan, te rog, și cu number 4.
Students study for 3-4 hours, 5-6 days a week.
Bun. Anasi?
In the afternoon, students do classes or work on the land.
Ok, in the afternoon, students...
Do homework or phone their parents before they go to bed.
Ok, deci avem de ales dintre aceste variante, de aceea am auzit mai multe variante, ok, cei de acasă, ca să știm. Avem de ales dintre activitățile pe care le fac. Ce fac ei? Do their homework sau phone their parents? Do classes sau work on the land, yeah? Bun. Și acum, haideți să și ascultăm. O să dau aici share sound ca să se poată auzi cât mai bine. Și încă o dată e descrierea unei școli neconvenționale. Bun. Hai să vedem cum ne iese. Și cei de acasă sunteți pregătiți, da? Putem să dăm play.
Unit 6, page 61, exercise 3. Listen to a description about an unusual school. Circle the correct words or phrases to complete the sentences below.
The Mountain School of Milton Academy is a private school in Vermont in America. that gives students the opportunity to study on an organic farm. All students must study English and environmental science, with a choice of other subjects like history, chemistry, physics, etc. Students must also work together in small groups to look after the animals and land around the farm. The farm provides all the food for the school. There is a garden with organic fruit and vegetables, plus a variety of animals, such as turkeys, chicken, sheep and pigs. Students look after the animals morning and night, as well as study for 3 hours, 6 days a week. Brad is a student at the mountain school. Brad, tell us about your day.
Well, I get up at 7:45 every morning and have breakfast. Then I feed some of the animals and go to classes for 3 hours. You must always make sure the animals are okay before you start your schoolwork. They are dependent on us for their food. We have lunch at 12 p.m. Then in the afternoon, we go out to work on the land or in the forest. Then we have dinner. We must do our homework before we go to bed, otherwise it becomes a problem. I love the school. The only problem is that my mobile phone doesn't work here, so I can't talk to my family or friends very much.
Ok. Am auzit tot ceea ce se întâmplă aici. Hai să vedem cum răspundem acum. Deci, Anasila, number 1. Where is this mountain school? In America or in England?
In America.
In America, very good. Okay. Bogdan, where do students work? On an organic farm or in a theater?
Organic farm.
On an organic farm, very good. Okay, what must they study, Anasi?
They must study English and environment science.
Very good, English and environmental studies și cred că cei de science și cred că cei de acasă sunt de acord. Asta am auzit în audio, da? Bogdan, for 4, students study for how many hours?
6 days.
Bun, 6 days a week și how many hours? 3 or 4?
3.
Yes, 3 hours, 6 days a week. Așa e. 3 hours, 6 days a week. Bun. Anasi, in the afternoon, students, what do they do?
In the afternoon, students must do
No, we are at 5.
work on the land.
Work on the land in the afternoon. And at 6, Bogdan, students must?
Students must do their homework.
Yes, do their homework before they go to bed. Very good. So again, this mountain school is in America. Students work on an organic farm. Very interesting. They must study English and environmental science. They study for 3 hours, 6 days a week. In the afternoon, they work on the land and they must do their homework before they go to bed. Very good. Following. We have here a survey, okay, where we need to answer the questions given. So let's see. First of all, how many students are in the table? How many students do we have in this table here that we can see? Anasi?
There are 4.
4 students, okay. And what was this survey about? Can we deduce?
About school subjects.
Okay, so about school subjects, what they think about school subjects, or no, whether they have these school subjects or not in the 4th year, no? Că vedem că sunt în anul 4, clasa 4. Okay? Which subject do they all do?
Design and technology.
Design and technology toți îl fac. And Bogdan, which subject does only one student do? Unde avem acel X-uleț la un singur student? Geography, very good. Pe care îl face only Rob. Very good, ok. Bun. Maths avem, so maths is done by 3 students, no? Toby, Jackie and Emma. Science is done also by 3 students, Toby, Jackie and Rob. Art is done only by 2 students, Rob and Emma. History by Jackie and Emma. Geography by Rob. Only Rob, like we said. Design and technology by all of them. Music by Toby and Emma. PE, physical education, that's sport, by Toby, Rob and Emma. And IT by Jackie and Rob. Okidoki, cam așa funcționează treaba și cam așa trebuie și noi să ne uităm pe un tabel ca să-l descriem. Ok. Now, following, let's see, we have here some a short to check your progress. So let's see the careers. Dacă ne mai amintim ce cariere ar putea să fie din aceste litere pe care le avem cu care să înceapă. C and P. Ce ar putea fi asta? Ceva cu calculator. Cum să zicem? Computer programmer. Programator. Bun. Computer programmer. The next one
Architect.
Architect. Ok, architect. Mai departe. T. Translator. V. Asta e simplu. Vet. Bun. Celălalt. Ăsta nu știu dacă o să-l știți voi. Accountant. Contabil. Accountant. Contabil, da? Și J. Journalist. Bun. Acum hai să vedem ce verbe trebuie să folosim pentru aceste jobs in the house, chores, nu? Hai să vedem, Anasi, ce punem la 1? Ce verb lipsește? Dacă eu te rog acum, please, Anasi, go and the washing up. Cum îți spun? Do the washing up. Bun. Bogdan, pentru 2, ce putem face în bedroom? Cum îți zic mereu părinții? Curăță-ți camera, nu? Cum zicem? Tidy up your bedroom. Foarte bine. Tidy up your bedroom. Bun. Pentru 3?
Make the dinner.
Make the dinner. Cook the dinner. Foarte bine. Una din astea. For 4? Cum zicem la pat?
Make your bed.
Make the bed. Foarte bine. Make your bed. Ok? Bogdan, the cleaning? Ce-i facem ăstuia? Do? Nu? Nu așa zicem? Do the cleaning? Do the cleaning. Și ultima? Take the rubbish out. Așa, du gunoiul afară. Bun. Așa, recapitulare cu I'm going to. Dacă vă mai amintiți, trebuie să punem pur și simplu I'm going to, forma corectă, plus verbul dat de ei. Hai să vedem, Anasi, la primul, number 1. Trebuie cu going to, da? I'm going to tidy my room. To tidy up my room. Bun. Bogdan? She?
She's having a party.
She's going to have a party. She's going to have a party. Bun. Trebuie să folosim going to. Uitați-l aici, da? She's going to have a party. Anasi, for 3?
Yeah, and I'm going to make their home.
To?
Do their homework.
Do their homework. Foarte bine. They're not going to do their homework. Okay? Okay. For 4? Bogdan, the dog?
The dog
Is not going
is not going playing.
to play with us. Bun, the dog is not going to play with us. Nu are de gând să joace cu noi. And the last one, Anasi?
We are going to make a chocolate cake.
We are going to make a chocolate cake. Foarte bine. Sau to bake, sau to prepare. We're going to. Bun, deci să repetăm. I'm going to tidy my room. She's going to have a party. They're not going to do their homework. The dog is not going to play with us. We are going to make a chocolate cake. Very good, ok? Iar pentru celelalte am avut așa, to do the washing up, to tidy your bedroom, to prepare sau to cook the dinner, to make your bed, to do the cleaning and to take the rubbish out. Ok? Very good. Foarte bine. Ok, so we will stop here, everyone. O să ne oprim acum aici. It was a pleasure to have this session with you. M-am bucurat tare mult să avem acest oră împreună. I hope I helped you a little bit with some English knowledge, okay? And see you next time with another fun class together, okay? Mulțumesc și celor de pe Facebook care au fost atenți aici și ne vedem data viitoare. Have a nice day, everyone! See you soon! Bye!